I am not a chemist in the kitchen. I do not use all the modern technique. No, 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 no. I intend, with big intention, to go back to very primitive cooking methods. I respect and admire others people's techniques, very modern even. But for me, no, I am old-fashioned. I like feeling the earth. I want to smell the smoke. I am very romantic in that respect. I'm very romantic. Very romantic indeed. Oh. Wow. Okay. Let's put it here. Wow.
ארז,
Shalom.
מה העניינים?
Hi, how are you? Ali. אהלן. יוסי, מה המצב? Thank you, מלוכיה.
This bamya,
וואי, 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 וואי.
Egyptian bamya.
Wow, perfect.
It's here.
Wow, let's put it in a colander or something. Thank you so much. Yossi works with me in workshops, and he has an amazing hand. You are a king. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so let's start by lighting the fire. It's nice to see you light a fire. You know how to do it. You've been doing it for a long time.
Cheers. Chop it?
Yeah. It's the leg of lamb with the Leah. We call this the fat from the back, rib cage fat. It's very good.